JGTV, your choice for Jamaican entertainment.
Boom, bang, bang, connect!
Now, people, this is what me can't understand. You see what I say? The Prime Minister say, yo, curfew. You see what I say? The man a do the thing for protect us, for make sure say we safe. The man says social distancing, and yet still, them thing you go on. You see what I say? Me can't understand Jamaican people. You see me? Because all it takes right here, so you know, I just for one somebody have it, you know. One. You see me? Look we. I dance, I enjoy ourselves. Nah obey by the rules, nah follow the rules. And next thing now, when them go sick, you hear say, hey Andrew never do this or Andrew never do that or the Prime Minister never do this or the Prime Minister never do that. But yet still, you nah follow the guidelines. People, let me know what you're thinking in the comments about this, please, because Jano, me can't understand the logic and the mindset behind something like this. You see me? Anyway, let me know what you're thinking in the comments about this. Like, comment, and subscribe. Jano, I'm out.